Okay, ever wondered what secrets are hiding in your photos? Let's find out. Every digital photo you see has a story, but there's a hidden story you might be missing out on. And believe it or not, the world's most popular browser, Google Chrome, has a huge blind spot here. Yep, even with its massive market share, Chrome just can't show you this data on its own. And this isn't a mistake, it's actually by design. Chrome's job is to show the image, not analyze it. This hidden info is called EXIF data. Think of it like a digital fingerprint for your photo. It's got everything, from the camera model to the exact GPS coordinates where the picture was taken. So how do you actually see this stuff? You need a separate tool. Here are your main options. Now, a lot of folks go straight for Chrome extensions for convenience, but there's a catch. It's a classic trade-off, right? You get that one-click convenience, but you might be handing over your privacy. And this isn't just a guess. Mozilla found a ton of these extensions ask for way too much access. Often, this means giving an extension access to your data on every single website you visit. Okay, so if extensions are a bit sketchy, what's the fastest and safest way to do this? The answer is using a modern online viewer. It does all the work right inside your browser. And the process is super simple. You just go to the site, upload the image, and boom, all the data. There's no install, no accounts, and your files never even leave your computer. It's totally private. But wait, what about developers? Can't they just use the built-in DevTools for this kind of thing? Well, the short answer is no. DevTools sees the file itself, but not the important data inside it. Yeah, it reads the network request, not the hundreds of data fields stored inside the file. So let's break it down. When you compare these methods, one option really stands out. For pretty much everyone, an online viewer is the clear choice. It's fast, private, and super easy. So, every image has a story. Now, you know how to read it. What will you find?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.